So I've got these unlimited range walkie-talkies. You can basically use them straight out of the box, so I'll show you in a second. They have SIM cards, so that's why they are basically unlimited range, because they use 4G to call on data anywhere in the city. In UK you can talk from anywhere to anywhere, which is really cool. So let's unbox them and check them out and also see how they work. Okay, let's open this. Global. We've got how to operate this. We've got some chargers. Basically the brick is for USA, but we've got a UK adapter. These two to hold them. Got another charger for the other one. We've got this to clip them on your shirt or pants so you can easily keep it close. And then we've got the actual walkie-talkies. And also behind them we have this USB-C to USB-A that goes in the charger right here, and also a small thing that you can hold it in your hand so you don't drop the walkie-talkie. And that's the walkie-talkie. As you can see here, it looks scratched, but it's not, because it has like a protective film right here. If you see, it's not actually scratched. And you basically have like 3 buttons and one that it's push to talk, and another 2 here for volume, I guess. And here is the antenna. Here we have the USB-C, and also you can take the battery out, and here you have the SIM. So that's where the SIM goes. You can have 2 SIMs. So that's how it basically works worldwide. It's actually like a phone, but only for 2 people, which is great because you don't have to like use your phone and destroy your battery. You can just use these 2 walkie-talkies, and yeah, you're gonna use their battery. You can only talk with one person, but it's like really good in like a area where you like use like a long range. So if you do like a paintball game and you use like a longer range, these are really good for that. Okay, now let's turn them on. And this one, and we can see some green LEDs here on top flashing. We know they're on, and we have a QR code right here, and it says idle in the corner. And we have the SIMs here. It says 4G on both. We have the battery here. I was looking through the menu around here, and then I pressed this button on the side, and then you can hear the voice right now. Hey, hello. 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 Hey. So you can just press this button, and then the other person can hear you. And you can hear a beep when you will get the message. Yeah, it's really cool. So let's try it out. Here you can see I have a 4G signal as well. I have 3 lines. And now I'm gonna talk with my son, which is upstairs. Hello, son.
Hello, son. Hello, Daddy.